Hello students, a very good morning to all. Today in this video we will discuss about some basic components of a GUI. So the GUI means a graphical user interface, and there have some components. So the first component is desktop. So we will go to the desktop. So minimize this window with this minimize button. After that you can go to the desktop. So this is a desktop. So what is the means of desktop? So when you turn on your computer system, the that time the first screen that you see on your computer screen, after that logging process, so this screen is display on your computer system, yeah, computer screen. So this is known as a desktop. So it contains all the application programs, icons, folder, start button, and this is the taskbar. So with the help of this option application, you can simply visit, uh, perform any task with the use of this application or folder files. After that you can go to the next component of GUI. So the next component of the GUI is icons. So again go to the desktop. So there have some small picture. So this is known as the icons. So icons are the small graphical images on the desktop that represent various application programs, file and folder. So this is a basic information about the icons. Then after, the next component of a GUI is folder. So here this is the folder. So the folders are the place where you can store files, icon, directory, programs, data or other folder. So now we will open any folder. So suppose I will open this books folder. After that you can see here the two files are available. So you can store any files folder within a folder. Then after, we will go to the next component of GUI. So the next component of GUI is taskbar. So here, this bottom side of layer, this layer, it is known as a taskbar. So it can be moved with the start button on the left. So this is the left side of, so this is the start button, and then after we will move to the right side. So this is the clock and calendar. So it is the divided into different parts. Around start button, a quick launch icon. So this is the quick launch icon. So with the help of this quick launch icon, you can simply open any application within a few seconds. After that, the new component of a GUI is start button. So now we will discuss about the start button. So this is the start button. So this start button, it is a Windows start button. It is found at the bottom left part of the taskbar. So where is found? So this is the taskbar and this is the bottom left side. So this is the bottom left side part of the taskbar. So this is the start button. So what is the use of start button? So the start button opens the start menu when you click on it. So when you have to click this start button, then after the multiple files and folder application are open. So with the help of this window, you can simply open any application. Then after, the next component of GUI is quick launch icons. So this is the quick launch icon. So here I have already set some application within a task. So when you hover your mouse here, visiting the mouse any icons, then that time the rectangular window will be open. So with the help of this window, you can simply open any application whatever your choice. Suppose I want to open this application, then simple press the left mouse button, then the particular window will be open. So this is the easy and simple method for open any application. Now the next component of a GUI is pin a program to a taskbar. Means how can you add any application or any program to a taskbar. So suppose that you want to add this sticky note to add this taskbar. So how can you add? So simple press the right button, right mouse button on this application. After that, this window, a new window will be appear. So in this window, we will select this in this program to taskbar. Means if you want to add this sticky note, then you can simply select this, pin this program to taskbar. After that, this program is automatically add to the taskbar. Then the next component of our GUI is notification area. So what is the use of this notification area? So we will go to the notification area. So this is the notification area. So with the help of this notification area, you can simple view the important message about the updating your computer. So this is the flag icon. So with the help of this flag icon, you can simple know about the what is the problem have occur in your PC. The next component of a GUI is a clock. So this is a clock. So with the help of this clock, you can show the date and after that we will discuss about the next component of a GUI is gadgets. So the what is the means of gadgets? So the Windows 7 offer a small application program called gadgets to facilitate routine based tasks. So the different type of gadgets such as a calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency. So with the help of this application, you can simply add these gadgets to your monitor screen. So here I have already added this CPU meter. This is a gadget, and this CPU meter, with the help of this one, you can simply watch the performance of CPU and what is the performance of RAM. If you want to add one more gadget, then you can simply press the right button of the blank space of the desktop. After that, the new window will be appear. So we will go to the this gadgets option. So here the many gadgets are available. This is the calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency. So simple select the any gadgets. After that the gadgets will be applied to your monitor screen. Then the next component of a GUI is sticky note. So what is the use of this sticky notes? So sticky note is another useful feature of Windows 7 and it can be placed on the desktop. These are used for writing reminder for making do-it list. So this is the sticky note. With the help of this sticky note, you can simply write anything. Now we will discuss about the last component of a GUI. So the last component of a GUI is show desktop button. So here this is the show desktop button icon. This is the taskbar and this is the rightmost area. This is the show desktop. So simple click this icon, then after that you can visit the